Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in LeetCode, which is sum multiples. So here is given a positive integer n. We have to find the sum of all integer ranging from 1 to 7, which is divisible by 3, 5 and 7. Sorry, or hai, not and. So you just have to find the from 1 to 7, including 1 to 7. You can find the number of integer which is divisible by 3 or 5 or 7. Okay, let's do this. First you have to create int sum equals to 0. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus. It will start from 1 because here is in question there is 1 and n, so equals to n, and then you just have to add the condition if I modulo 3 is equals to 0 and I modulo 5 is equals to 0, and again I modulo 7 is equals to 0, then you just have to do sum plus equals to I. Okay, and after this you just have to return the sum. Let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.